Hello everyone. Today we will solve a viral math problem 5 plus 5 times 5 plus 5. Before we start, you can like, subscribe and turn on your notifications. Let's get started. If you want, you can find the correct answer and write it in the comment. This question is about order of operations. We will use PEMDAS practice here. Let's remember, P equals parenthesis, E equals exponent, M equals multiplication, D equals division, A equals addition, S equals subtraction. Let's see what operations are in our question. Addition, multiplication, addition. First we do the multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. Our question is 5 plus 25 plus 5. If we add these, it makes 30 plus 5. Our answer would be 35. Now stop the video and find this answer yourself. I will start solving it. We find the answer 8. This question is yours. Find the answer and write it in the comment. See if you can find the correct answer. See you in the new video.